Yes, we are discussing about information technology. In that, um, the topic is three reasons why freshers should learn Python. The topic is three reasons why freshers should learn Python language. Python is a popular, easy to learn programming language with a vibrant, ever growing user base. Python is a wonderful place to start if you are trying to start a coding career. It is highly adaptable and easy to master, and it is utilized in a wide range of industries, from data science and machine learning to game design. Here are some of the most compelling reasons to learn Python. The easiest number one is the reasons. Three reasons are there here. In that one first reason is uh, reason to learn Python. The first reason is the easiest coding language to begin with. Python is one of the most straightforward programming languages to learn. This is because regardless of which operating system you use, installing and working with it is quite straightforward, and anyone with a basic understanding of computers can accomplish it. This is because Python is an interpreter language. It is an interpreter language, remember it. This is which means you don't have to add extra steps like compiling into bytecode, like you would with Java, then C or other languages to see the effects of your input. The graphic below demonstrates my point. You can immediately see your applicant's output. That is one of the reasons. And second reason why freshers should learn Python. The second reason is the learning curve is relatively flat. At first, Python is a general purpose programming language with a high level of abstraction. It also removes a lot of the complications for newbies who are just learning how to program. Memory management, garbage collection, and pointers, just to name a few. Because of these factors, Python has a very flat learning curve and is more beginner friendly, making the learning process more enjoyable and less unpleasant. And another reason for that is the third reason for why freshers should learn Python. The third reason is Python is one of the most commonly used programming languages globally, and it is frequently taught to beginners at institutions all around the world. As a result, anyone interested in learning the language can find a wealth of information on the internet. If you prefer to learn Python through books, there are several available. If you prefer videos, there are many Python tutorials available online because nowadays YouTube has increased so much. You can see videos also how to learn Python, what are the topics in Python, everything you can see in YouTube also. So you can easily understand Python language very well. In almost all topics, you can cover it. Whatever Python topics you want to study, there is nearly always a relevant source online waiting for you to find it. This is the ease with which you may access these high quality learning tools can help you learn faster. So this is the information, and in conclusion, due to its accessibility, flatter learning curve, and plenty of online resources, Python is one of the finest languages to start with for novices who wish to learn about programming. Nonetheless, like any other programming language, Python has some flaws that you will discover as you learn more about it. Instead of all these things, YouTube has becoming very popular nowadays. Even if you want to learn any new language, while Python beginner, Python for beginners, Python for juniors, Python for seniors. Likewise, if you put it, you can get hundreds of videos, not tens, or and hundreds of videos you can see in the YouTube video, in YouTube. By that, you can see clearly and understand clearly, and you can do Python programming very well, easily, without risk. But in 1990s, the learning COBOL itself, Common Business Oriented Language, COBOL learning itself is becoming a very difficult process, because there is no media. That time there are no mobiles, and as well as smartphones are not there. YouTube is not available. That time the COBOL programmer means it's a very big topic to them. So it is a very demandable subject to them, even to learn COBOL. Then for the time being, C language has come, C++ has come, and Java is coming, and JavaScript, and J2EE, Java version 2, Enterprise Edition, and XML, EJB, Enterprise Java Beans, and String language, Hibernate has come. All these are coming. But one of the greatest thing is YouTube. The maturity of YouTube has given a prosperous development in information technology, especially in India. That is the information I want to say. Not only in India, in the entire world nowadays is very prosperous to learn information technology very well. But they should have a commitment and long run commitment, and they should have always, they should at least daily 1 hour, they should refer in YouTube videos, otherwise books or something, to learn easily without risk. Then they will be successful in their career. Wishing you all the best.